Good morning. Here's one global problem that involves the Philippines. It is about the South China Sea dispute, where the Philippines filed diplomatic protest against China on its massive land reclamation in an area called the Spratlys. Please watch this.
Philippine President Benigno Aquino said on Friday the territorial dispute with China in the South China Sea was of concern for the world because global trade will be hit by China's reclamation. Recent satellite images show China has made rapid progress in building an airstrip suitable for military use in contested territory in the Spratly Islands and may be planning another, moves that have been greeted with concern in the United States and Asia. IHS Jane's Defense Weekly said March 23rd, images from Airbus Defense and Space showed work on the runway on reclaimed parts of Fiery Cross Reef in the Spratly Archipelago, which China contests with the Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei, and Taiwan. China claims most of the potentially energy-rich South China Sea, through which $5 trillion in shipborne trade passes every year, and denies accusations its actions in its own territory are provocative.
The Philippines is considering filing another protest after reports China is boosting its presence in the disputed West Philippine Sea or South China Sea. President Aquino says he received reports and photos of Chinese ships in the disputed Gavin Reef and Quarteron Reef in the Spratlys or Kalayaan group of islands. Philippine Foreign Secretary Albert Del Rosario says if confirmed, China's heightened presence is cause for concern if it leads to what China did on Mabini Reef or Johnson Reef in the Spratlys. Last month, Manila accused Beijing of destabilizing moves in light of Chinese reclamation activities in Mabini Reef. Del Rosario slams China's reclamation activities, saying the Asian superpower's expansion agenda casts doubt on its willingness to craft a legally binding code of conduct in the disputed sea. An international tribunal is hearing the Philippines' case against China. Manila is challenging Beijing's expansive claims over nearly the entire South China Sea.
The reclamation may affect global trade, through which $5 trillion seaborne trade pass every year. At the moment, Philippines is still waiting for the result of its filed protest and hope to gain more support from other countries. Thank you. This is TAM reporting from Duyan.